Okay guys, I think you remember this program where we did a simple calculator. We did it in an if statement and we did it in a switch statement. The simple calculator, depending on a menu, if the user presses plus, this is for addition, this is for subtraction, multiplication and division. And if you remember, we had two programs on that. Forgot which lab, maybe lab 4 or 5, where we had num1 and num2 here, and then we picked the operation first and then did the cn numbers. We did it in two different ways. But now let's see what did we do here. This program will run once. Let's run it and see what happens. Okay, g ++ -o gaze, and I'm compiling here, same as what build in Visual Studio, no errors, and I'm doing, what did I put it, gaze. Please enter two numbers, 10 and 7. Simple calculator, press plus for addition, press for subtraction. Let's do multiplication. And here we go. If else, and I don't know what if else means here. I think we did it into, okay, we did it in a switch statement and we did it in an if else statement. So that's good. Let's go back on the code and have a look at it. Okay, here I'm declaring two numbers, and can I declare them as floats? And I think that would be much better if we declare them as floats, but here we're gonna have a problem comparing. It's not good to compare a float to a number. I can cast it. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Let's declare this as floats. I want it to take floats numbers, and here give values to please enter two numbers. Now simple calculator, depending on the operation here, what we pick, operation is a character. And remember, when we deal with characters, you're gonna always deal with single quotes, like here, case. This is the case where I have addition. I'm gonna do what, C out num1 space, then I'm gonna print the operation, then num2, okay, something happened here. Where did that come from? I don't know. I pressed and I lost the subtraction. Undo. Okay, we're good. So if I refuse a picked addition, it's gonna go here and do bring num1 plus num2 and print it, subtraction, multiplication. Here in the case where I have division, we have to be careful. We can't divide by 0. We can't divide by 0. So this is gonna give us, if num2 is 0, it's gonna give us an error, else it's gonna print it. The default case, if we entered any character, and remember, every switch statement has to have a default case. If we input any other value other than those, it's gonna do error, not a valid operation. And here we did it in an if else statement, which is similar to the switch, but remember, here I'm saying if operation equals single quotes. Guys, remember, any character, you can't put it plus by itself. You can't just put plus. No. See, single quotes, cout num1. Then I'm gonna have the operation and this printing the output. Okay, and here I'm saying it's an ifelse. That's where we saw the ifelse. I said where did it come, and I'm gonna leave this. I don't wanna take it away. Now what I want to do is I want to keep this program running. Remember when we ran it just a minute ago, it just ran one time. I have to run it again to do the calculator again. But how can I do this? Keep it running by using the while or do while or for loops that we took. Here I prefer doing the do while. Why is that? Because let's see here, I can do. I want it to do all this first, then to loop. Do this. Pick one of those. And you do this. While, and let's say here look where I'm gonna close the while. Took the whole program. While what was it? Operation doesn't equal E, or I want to cover both cases, capital and small letters, or operation equals doesn't equal E. While I have any other character, I don't want it to exit. I'm gonna keep doing the calculation, but I have to add now that to the menu. And remember, semicolon with a do while. So now, and this is a really good example on a do while. Remember, I started it here, the do while. Keep repeating, or how am I gonna say it? Keep the calculator on. Please enter two numbers. It's gonna enter two numbers. They can be floats, and here I can add another option. Cout 5, press E or E2, exit calculator. And here I'm gonna have dash n, close it, and I'm going to take one of those out. And now let's go and run it. So this was really quick and easy. That was a good one. Try to check the code, and for this one I'm not sure, should I post the code or you want to have a look at it? Let's go over it real quick. IO stream include integer main, declared two numbers and a character operation, which is going to be the addition, subtraction, or now here I declared a do while to cover what, to keep repeating the calculator or program, whatever I have inside it, until we enter what, an E, capital E or small e, as an operation, and where is the operation? Enter cout inline. Now here I'll print a menu to the user saying simple calculator, press plus for addition, plus press minus for subtraction, press for multiplication, press E or negative or small e to exit calculator. And now we did it in 2 ways. And remember, I can comment any of those, either this or this. They're the same, but I did it one in a switch, so I'll tell you so you can know what's the switch. I'm doing CN operation. I'm switching on operation, and operation is a character, so I'm gonna use single quotes. Case plus. If the user entered plus, I'm gonna do this, print this with the operation. Print meaning what? Print number 1. The operation, let's say plus number 2, and print the result of addition beside it, and then break. In case of minus, same thing. Print num1, print the operation minus, print num2, and now print the subtraction result. Multiplication, same thing. Num1, operation is multiplication, print num2, print the result of multiplication. Division, we have a case where if we're dividing by 0, it's not gonna allow us. So see out num, if num equals 2, see out error, else I'm gonna print num1, operation is division, num2, and calculate num1 over num2 divided by num2. Else, if I input anything else, which is the default statement, and I have to have a default statement in every switch, meaning if you input an A, a B, a C, a $, any other character, what's gonna happen? It's gonna print an error and it's gonna go back and print the menu, because we have the while loop now. Else, now the if else, using an if else. Remember, this is the same as this, you can use any one of those, but I added both so you can know. If operation equals plus, case plus, I'm gonna print the number, operation, num2, and the result. Else if, and why do I have the else if? What is the difference if I took the else out? If I took the else out, it's gonna go and check every if statement, and that's not optimized, that's not efficient. We wanna program to be fast. So what I'll do is do an else. If this is true, it's gonna skip all those. If this is false, it's gonna go check this, Now, depending on the input, and I can keep repeating this operation until we input an E, or an E capital or an E small. Let's run the program and see. I don't know, I feel this program is so short, guys. I don't feel good. Enter 2 numbers, and remember we can enter floats. I changed it where we can enter floats, 10, and let's do 3.4, and let's do a subtraction. It's gonna be 7 on 1, but okay, please enter 2 numbers. It's gonna be 10.5. I want to use the same numbers, and I want to do a division. And I prefer, honestly, having the menu first, inputted the 2 numbers, so you don't have to input the 2 numbers if you want to exit. So now let's say we want to exit. This is the division result, but say now we want to exit, I have to input at least 2 numbers, and then now I say E, and it didn't exit, it went to not valid operation, and it kept going and let's see E. Why is that? Did it take care of it in that? Okay. If it was E. Okay, let's print the operation and see what it is at the end of the program. And what I do is I press Ctrl C to exit from a running program. Do this while. Why didn't it exit the while? While, could it be and? While operation doesn't equal A, E, while. Okay, let's do it as and see. Okay, I think it's an and, that's why. Enter two numbers, 0.3 and 9, and I'm gonna do an addition, and here we go. Please enter. See this is not efficient. Now I have to do an E. It exited. Okay, it needed an AND. Okay, because it needs to be false. If I had an OR, okay, yeah. Okay, now I want to change what? The CN numbers. I needed to give it the simple calculator and press first this and then have what? The two numbers. So here I can take this, control copy. Oh, did I delete it? Come on now. Okay, good. Okay, look how this is gonna change now. I'm gonna print the menu first, then I'm gonna ask for the numbers. So in case I print an exit, it's gonna be, let's do clear first. Until press plus for addition, minus for subtraction, plus for multiplication. I'm thinking of a really good question for the exam. Oh, I didn't write the exam yet. Okay, pick the operation, and it's gonna be multiplication. Enter two numbers, 34 and 22.5, and it gave us 765. Now simple calculator, it gave me the menu again. So if I press E, please enter two numbers. Okay, now I need to add the case E to break, or go to while. Go to while. There's a go to function that we can use, and here's how to do it. If you wanna check, honestly I don't know, I've seen it but I forgot how to use it. Go to function in C++. Let's see if this works. Okay. If operation here. Let's put here add case. E. This is a good example, so we can put the two E's. And this way it will take both E's as the same one, but I have to put it at the second one. So now I'm gonna say go to, let's say Gaith. And where am I gonna have to have Gaith? I'm not sure. Do we put break here, or yeah, we have to put break. Should I put it here or where? I'm labeling this, giving it a label. So let's see if this will work. Okay, close it. Expected primary expression before while okay. Expected semicolon, so it doesn't have a semicolon there. Oh. Okay, let's put it on the we didn't have a semicolon label. Can we do it? Go on to return 0? I don't think so. Let's see. Okay. Go. gonna be the same as that one. So we should break from here. I shouldn't worry of doing it here, but I can say go to here, and then from here okay, I want that to work. Let's see. I don't think that one is gonna work, but there's no harm in trying. Okay. It might not go forward. The should jump. Is jump same as go to? Yeah, it should be. Go to loop. I have a semicolon at go to, and I think I had a semicolon, and here, okay. Go to stop. Okay, I know how to fix it now. Set inside the function. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try one thing first. Go to gate. And okay. See out. Exiting calculator. And save. And I nagged about it being short. Now it came longer, but it's good. Makes you learn how to fix a problem, which is more important than programming itself. Come on. Okay. Okay, because I'm entering the two numbers, then I'm doing the check and the switch. But okay, that's good. We can fix that, but we can. Okay, let me show you how to fix it. We can fix it in a switch statement. Can we fix it? What do you think? Here, it's gonna be here when I have operation. If operation equals if operation equals E, and I don't need it over there, and this is much better, or operation equals E, I'm gonna do what? Go to, okay, so that's gonna exit it. So now I don't need it in the switch statement here. This, I'm not gonna need it here. That's it, it's gonna exit from there even before taking the numbers. And okay, save. Oh, come on. Let's take one calculation and then see. It took it as two numbers, invalid operation. Okay, let's put now an operation. Let's take multiplication. Please enter two numbers, 6 and 7. Found it, 42. Now I do E, exiting calculator. Awesome, good job. And let's see. I might let's say I might post the code, but not today. Maybe tomorrow or the day after. And remember, guys, we're having end of May programming contest, so this is gonna be useful. Here's the program. I'll post it in the video description, but not today. I'll post this video today, so let's stop. Still, I'm having more videos. Don't go.